Be Wealthy and Smart, episode 1459.
Step into a world of wealth and financial freedom without budgets, boredom, or bosses on Be Wealthy and Smart. And now, here's your host, Linda P. Jones.
Welcome to Be Wealthy and Smart. I'm Linda P. Jones, America's Wealth Mentor, empowering women and men worldwide to financial freedom. On today's show, we're going to ask, is it too late to invest in cryptocurrency? Because a lot is going on since President Trump was inaugurated on Monday. It feels like a year of things and regulations, appointees, and all kinds of things have been happening just this week. Some of these things we've been anticipating for a while, and some people are getting surprised by some things that are happening. So we'll talk about that. But I'll tell you right up front, my opinion is no, it's not too late to invest in cryptocurrency. And I usually say that's because we don't even have cryptocurrency laws yet, which is true. We don't have laws in the United States. Just about every country outside the United States, or I should say every major country outside the United States, has created crypto laws. But the United States has not. What that means is that there's been more speculation going on here than probably needed to happen. And that would not have happened if we had crypto laws in place. Because what I know about the laws that are coming is a few of the basics that are going to be required. It's going to be required that it is low energy usage or green energy. It's going to be required that it is not a threat to national security. And it has to have utility. It has to do something and not just be speculative. Those are three basic requirements that I'm expecting in the laws and in the definition of what a cryptocurrency is. Cryptocurrency can be simply a digital form of currency. And one of the reasons why no tax on crypto is being discussed is because it doesn't make any sense to use crypto to buy a cup of coffee and then have to pay capital gains tax on any gains that you have. If cryptocurrency really is a currency, and some of them are, then it should be treated the same as other currencies. But if cryptocurrencies are a pure speculation or an investment, like more akin to a stock, then it should be treated more like a stock. And if it's a collectible, it should be treated like collectibles. And if it's a commodity, it should be treated like commodities. So we're going to probably see different classifications for cryptocurrencies, but you're going to see cryptocurrencies come into mainstream finance. So mainstream finance means that cryptocurrencies are likely to be held by banks, which, with the repeal of SAB 121, allows banks to hold cryptocurrencies. And that happened this week. You're also going to see digital stock markets, like the one that's being created in Texas, where stocks are actually traded digitally and recorded on a blockchain. So let's look at some of the statistics around cryptocurrencies because Coinbase put this together, and this is very interesting information. Currently, 58% of Americans say they've heard of Bitcoin. Over the past year, more people searched on Google for Bitcoin than the royal wedding or election results. To date, more than 70% of U.S. states have enacted legislation that addresses cryptocurrency or blockchain. And crypto is becoming an increasingly important aspect of local economies. The top 10 U.S. states for percentage of the population that owns crypto are California, number 1, New Jersey, number 2, Washington State, number 3, New York, number 4, Colorado, number 5, then Utah, Florida, Alaska, Nevada, and Massachusetts. Now, Bitcoin is not the same as all cryptocurrencies. In fact, Bitcoin is very different from most cryptocurrencies, and it's very different from XRP, which is the cryptocurrency that I recommended in my book and have recommended on this podcast many times. But because it's talked about more on the mainstream media, Bitcoin and Ethereum tend to be more top of mind when people are asked about crypto. But I think that's all about to change. As we get more of a focus on American companies, Ripple is the top cryptocurrency company in America that holds a cryptocurrency and has the technology for the XRP ledger. So more and more people are about to find out about Ripple and XRP, and I couldn't be more excited about that because I do think we are still so early. And at a price of about $3.17 per XRP, we've come up 500% in a year, but we still have a very long way to go in my opinion. So we still have many things coming for cryptocurrencies. President Trump has said he wants us to be the crypto capital of the world and the artificial intelligence capital of the world. And that's really because whoever controls those industries is going to be the leader of the world. So there's a lot yet to happen for the crypto industry that's going to be extremely positive. And once we get legislation, the big wave of institutional money will be able to come in. The time is now. If you're thinking about your finances and making some important decisions about who's going to be guiding you in those finances, consider joining the Be Wealthy and Smart VIP Experience, my personal investing insight group. Members of the VIP Experience join once and then have lifetime access to invest with me for years to come. It includes monthly live webinars with me with live Q&A for me to answer questions, an asset allocation model for your stock portfolio, so you know exactly what to invest in with symbols and what percentages to invest. And in addition, we offer a full crypto portfolio of cryptocurrencies to invest in, as well as private equity. So companies before they have an IPO or initial public offering. Buying them as a private business can often be a very lucrative investment if you're an accredited investor. We also have our own tech team. So we have individuals that can help you one-on-one to get you unstuck from any crypto situation you might find yourself in, whether that's setting up a wallet, transferring crypto, getting your first purchases made on exchanges, setting up limit orders. Our tech team is there to help you. We also have a private Facebook group where I interact many times a day with people and share articles, updates, market commentary, and interact with the greater VIP community. If this is something that is of interest to you, check out our limited time offer in the show notes below.
Thank you for listening to Be Wealthy and Smart with Linda P. Jones. Share the wealth and tell your family and friends about the show. Check out our website, blog, and social media for more riches at www.bewealthyandsmart.com.